Hello and good afternoon. Well, NFP data is coming in next 3 minutes and I'm going bearish in this market. Let me post in my channel. I'm going bearish. Sorry, got a bit late. So if I see here right now, market is currently sitting at 4313, right? Currently market is at 4313. I'm going for a short position from here. SL will be very tight right here and TP would be somewhere here. So let's see on 15 minutes. That's how the setup should look like. Yes. So this is my setup. We'll adjust the TPs later. We have big TPs somewhere here. This should be a TP1. Yeah. Okay. So if I see here, we only have a couple of minutes left. Let me put this in my channel and then I'll take my trade. Let me put this in my channel. Okay, 0.5 SL here and TP here. Confirm. So I sold. I open my position. Let's see how it goes. The data is coming anytime soon. I hope the data goes in my favor. Small SL of $10 and then TP is UGS. Yes, the breakout is in my favor. Come on. The breakout reversed actually. Fish. Okay, we'll buy with a bigger lot. Didn't really work. So let me do one thing. Let's buy one here, TP here, and the SL should be, let's say, here. So let me take a buy trade now. These two positions already gave me losses here. I mean, the trade was in $500 or $600 profit in the beginning when the data came, but then suddenly the things reversed. Anyway, so right now in this trade, I'm in a loss of $1,000 right now. Again, I'll trail my SL as soon as I get the trade in profit. Yeah, right now already 500, so I'll trail my SL here 1000. At this level, I'll just trail my SL. If I get this level, which is take profit 4391, but then 4362, that's where I'm planning to trail my SL, which is here already. So if I trail my SL, then my loss of 1000 will be recovered. I mean, second buy trade loss was just I did not realize the SL was already placed automatically, otherwise could have been in profit already. But let's see. Already $700 in profit. 900, 800. Yes. Already at 57. My buy was at 51, so if I do trail SL to 63, 4360, that one should cover my losses of, okay, 61 in that case. Yeah, I'll book the profit here. Anyways, the entry is at 4351.5, so 4352 should be my SL, so that I don't make any losses here. Currently the trade is in profit, because in NFP you never know. Yeah, so the profit booked only $43. It was at $1,000 profit at one point of time. Fuck. So the sell trade was initially giving $500 profit, and this buy trade was giving me $1,000 profit, but I did not book. Let's give it a couple of minutes to see which direction this goes. Okay, if this 4361 is breached, I'll go buy again, otherwise I'll go sell. Let's see. So 950 loss, then 40 in profit, so overall I'm in a loss of 900. Okay, I'll just wait for this to break. If this one breaks 6-1, then only I'll go long with a very small SL. Yes, I'm going again long, going long once again. Reason being, this previous high was broken, right? So I can actually keep a little bit extra here. And again I'll trail my SL. So this is a high volatility time. We can that's how we can scalp. We can actually move our SL. But yeah, if this one hits the SL, which is there on the downside 1300, I'll just stop for the day. So this red is my current trade, and this yellow line that you see, that talks about the potential stop loss, because I'm planning to shift my SL in profit. Currently my SL is somewhere here on the downside here, which is giving me $1,300 loss, but I'll not if that SL is hit, then I'll not change, but I'm expecting the trade to continue going up. If that happens, then I'll keep the TP of 4380, which could give me $1,800 profit, and I'll shift my SL to this 296. Why did I enter this buy again? Because you see this previous high was breached in this candle, which is a very good indication. It means the momentum is still there. These are pure experience based trading, technical trading, you can say. Okay, running $70-80 profit. I should have checked the SL of the second trade, because in the second trade the SL of 500, that was unnecessary, complete unnecessary. I just took the buy trade, and by default there was a SL placed. I actually keep SL like that, $10 SL by default for me, but this is a scalping time. I should not have that $10 SL. That's why I lost that $10, which is $500. I mean, because the lot size was I think one, right? Anyways, seems like the trade is going down. If I hit the SL of 1300, then I'll definitely stop for the day. This week was very good, honestly. Last 2 days, especially yesterday and day before. Not yesterday, day before yesterday was very good. I made more than $10,000. So I do have a little bit of room for today to, play around. Even the previous trade was also in profit of 800, 900. I didn't book. Not a good sign. This is on 1 minute chart, right? This candle was red again now. That's not a good sign. But let's not fickle, let's not change. Let's continue holding the position and see what happens. Thing is that there are a lot of gap left here, right? If you see, this candle just jumped, so there is a possibility of market retracing back to at least half of it somewhere here, 4334, and then the buy momentum will continue. There is a possibility. So this is all here. If you can see that previously this morning I took 2 trades. I showed in my channel, right, that I took 2 profits, which was 400 and 500 today. And then since this NFB data came, first one was planned sale, where I sell trade, where I lost 450. Then the second one was SL again, 500. The third one I recovered 41, which is okay. But now I'm planning to recover these 2 losses. See, if you have a proper plan, right, even you can scalp in this high volatility time. In my trading experience, this trade should go up right now, and that's why I'm of course in the buy trade. You see, I'm already in profit of $200, $300, but I'm not booking because I know this trade is going to break on the higher side, and therefore I'm holding the position for now. Where is my SL right now? Let me see again. SL is here, yeah. Let me put a line here. This is nothing but the law of this candle. You can see the second candle after the data, right? It's very logical. And now I'm planning to shift my SL on top of this candle here, which will give me this 273, right? So in Xauusd we can do it like this. So if you see this modified positional, yeah, now I will actually trail. I'm still giving it some breathing space, you understand, right? Sometimes candles come down before going up, so I'm giving it the breathing space, because see, if I had already modified, this candle would have taken my SL already. In trading, you should always know what is your capacity, what maximum loss or profit you can tolerate. Sorry if the resolution of the computer is not good. Somehow I could not connect my desktop. This is my laptop screen. Therefore, you see I'm looking at this corner because my camera is mounted on my monitor and my laptop is on the left hand side of mine. So Come on, if this, what I need is this current candle, which is whichever it is, this one or next one, to sustain somewhere here, and then I'll trail my SL. And this one will just fly like this. The moment this 66, what I'm expecting, $4, 66, 67 from there, only $4 I need, and then my TP is there, right? Now see, this candle is failing to sustain that level. It's not a good sign for me, but that's all right. Once your neck is under the blade, then you should not fickle. Come on, yes. Yes, yes, yes. The breakout is coming. Almost there. So now I'll modify my position. You see that now? Please don't come down. That's all. The TP1 976. Yes. 80, and then SL should be somewhere here. I'll trail SL once again if I get this level of 800. This will make sure that I made my I recovered my loss. But again, if it goes down, then I'll have that $270. My SL is somewhere placed somewhere here, right? Yeah, SL is gone. $273. So net I'm in a loss of 900. So for today, if I see two trades, 4 plus 5, 900 I got in the morning. Now 900 lost another 276, but still the buy momentum is still there. I'll buy one more lot. But here I don't have room for SL much. I will keep the SL very super tight. The profit that I made today, right? 300, that one I'll put as my SL. So in case the SL hits, then I'm out for the day. Hey, come on, man. Don't come down, man. Just move $5 up. Because there is a possibility of market to come down anytime to feel that gap. There is a gap left from the first candle, right? It's coming down. Keep going. Nah, the most market is exhausting its power. This one I'll not change my SL or TP because SL is very tight, TP is also very tight, right? What, $4 or this is one lot, right? So 338 pips SL, and TP is only 82 pips, so I'll keep it. Okay. If I had this position open right now, this one had the TP of 71.39, right? Market is already at 71.39. I could have got my TP already, but that's all right. You never regret in trading, because regret makes you make loss. Regret makes you make more losses, I would say. I was ready to lose that 900 or 1000, whatever I made this morning. In this, and if you're any news trading, I mean, I do take part, but with very limited, what you call it. Sorry, yeah, I don't expose myself a lot. So here I'm looking at $1,000 loss only, which is all right, because that much SL I normally have in my normal trades as well. $300, $400 profits are showing, but I'm not booking because I'm expecting that 822. If I get that 822, then I'm closing this session in profit. But I can see that market is getting exhausted, so what I'll do, I'll shift my SL to cost. Done. You see, because we could see it, literally you could see it. So 47 plus 273 plus 241. In these three trades, I made 350 and lost here 900. And in the morning, I made 900. So overall, the day is only $250 profit, right? But again, I won't trade anymore for this. The momentum is over. Now the market might come down to this level. Again, back to this level, at least here. 4336. Okay. If you want, you can plan a sell trade from here, but I'll not do. No more trades for the day. But if you are doing a sell trade, you can do a sell trade from here, wherever the market is right now. Very short SL, small one. Take TP here. Because the selling momentum is now, maybe the selling momentum will pick up, but I never do this kind of reverse trading. I would instead wait for the market to come here to do a buy trade, because today after the data, one thing for sure, that market will be bullish, right? So what is this? This is just a forecast that this candle, the 50% of this candle must be kind of penetrated before the momentum to continue. But again, it's a theory. Going up is sure, but coming down is not that sure. As simple as that. Anyhow, thank you for your time, and I wish to see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.